Welcome to the presentation on the UWA undergraduate major in Microbiology and Immunology. I'm Barbara Chang, a member of Microbiology and Immunology, which is within the School of Pathology and Laboratory Medicine. Our major is one that sits within the Bachelor of Science. Now, the range of majors that can be taken within the Bachelor of Science is very broad, as you can see here. You can also take Microbiology and Immunology as a second major, as part of a Biomedical Science major. We'll take a look at that option later when we view the study plans. So what is microbiology? Well, it's the study of microorganisms or microbes, which are the tiny organisms all around us that are generally too small to be seen with the naked eye. Some important ones are the bacteria, protozoa, the fungi, algae, and finally the smallest of all, the viruses. They all have important roles in our health, in causing disease, in humans and animals, plants, and also in the environment. The major also includes immunology. This is one of the fastest growing of all the disciplines in the biological sciences. Immunology is the study of host defenses against invading foreign materials, including infectious microbes. What fields are there in microbiology? Well, microbiology is a broad subject, and it has both basic and applied aspects. The basic fields are concerned with the biology of microorganisms themselves, such as their ecology, genetics, physiology, and molecular biology. Immunology is also an important basic science taught in this major. The applied fields are concerned with practical problems such as infectious diseases, covered in medical microbiology and public health. There's food spoilage and food production, industrial uses of microbes, and the molecular engineering of microbes to produce useful products in biotechnology. And finally, the impact of microbes on agriculture in agricultural microbiology. Microbiology graduates may gain employment in all of these fields. Microbiology graduates then have quite a wide variety of career options. Some will pursue research, starting with honours, and then entering a PhD perhaps, and after that a postdoctoral position, or finding a job in a research lab, which might be in an industrial setting, or a research institute, or in a university department. Others will take up further study in graduate medicine, or other specializations such as dentistry or pharmacy. We offer a master's course in infectious diseases. This can lead to improved employment opportunities, or provide another route into microbiology PhD studies. Some of our graduates work in diagnostic laboratories, others in CSIRO, while some perhaps take up a teaching career. Some of our graduates stay here in Perth, stay local, while others move overseas. If you like the idea of travel, it's possible to do your PhD overseas, but also in our Masters of Infectious Disease course, the research project, which is part of that course, may be taken overseas as well. So how can you study the major in microbiology and immunology? First of all, you can take this major as your only major, or as your degree-specific major in a Bachelor of Science degree. You could take microbiology and immunology as your second major, either as part of a BSc or through one of the other degrees offered at UWA. Or you could choose microbiology and immunology as your discipline-specific major in the Biomedical Science double major. So let's take a look at these options in more detail. Here's a study plan for microbiology and immunology as a primary or single major. In the first year, you will take units in biology, science communication, that's SCOM, which would be a complementary unit, and in second semester there's a molecular biology unit, the Sci 1106. You'll notice there's a chemistry unit also listed, and this would only be required for students without WACE chemistry. Microbiology-specific units begin in second year. There's a core program of 2 units. In MICR 2208, you would study introductory microbiology, which provides an introduction to the whole microbial world. It will include some genetics, physiology and molecular biology of microbes, as well as their basic biology and features. Microbiology 2209 discusses the causes and control of infectious diseases and provides an introduction to immunology. In third year, you will take 4 core units in microbiology. Micro 3310 teaches applied and environmental microbiology, including aspects of industrial microbiology and biotechnology, as well as microbial ecology. The other 3 units have a medical and infectious diseases focus. Micro 3320 is about viruses and viral diseases. Micro 3330 covers bacteria and bacterial diseases, while Micro 3340 is about immunology in health and disease. If you study microbiology and immunology as part of the biomedical science major, you would take only 1 of the second year units in microbiology, that's the Micro 2209, and then in third year you take the 4 microbiology units described earlier. If you would like to look at these study plans in detail, of course, they can all be found in the handbook available on the UWA website. Now, if your degree lies outside science, you might be interested in some of the broadening units the Faculty of Medicine, Dentistry and Health Sciences has to offer. Here they are, and we have some broadening units in mental health, pharmacology, public health, and also the social sciences. Of course, there are many exciting broadening units you can take within the faculties of science, and here they are listed. So hopefully this presentation gave you an idea of what you can expect from studying a microbiology and immunology major. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to come and talk to us. Thanks for listening, and we hope to see you here at UWA.